Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So eBay is full of amazing deals, but not all of them are real. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 simple steps to spot fake items using the listing photos. For that, let's go ahead and simply open up a browser and then in the search bar search for ebay.com. Once you search for it, go ahead and simply log in to your account. Once logged in, go ahead and simply select a product you would like to buy. Right-click onto it, then tap on Search with Google Lens. If that same image appears on multiple listings or websites, it's likely a stock photo and not from the actual seller. And the next step you can try is to go ahead and simply zoom in into a blurry logo or misspelled tag. Check for off-center placement, blurry printing, misspellings, and compare them to official photos on the brand website. Also, you can go ahead and simply look closely at the stitching and fabric. Authentic items have tight, even stitching and high-quality material. If it looks cheap, shiny, or uneven, it's probably fake. Next, you can simply look at the packaging. Missing or generic packaging is common with counterfeit items, especially if it's listed as new. And the last one you can try is simply check the serial number or codes. Some product includes serial number or model codes in the listing photos. You can simply Google them. If the same number shows up in other listing, it's fake. Real serial are unique to the item. And that's it. Take a minute to look closer and then you'll shop smarter every time. That is simply how you can spot a fake item using eBay photos. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.